Hello everyone, this is Khansa Shahid, a student of DLED 2018 batch from DITE Rampur. I'm going to show you my presentation on the topic List out parts of a speech from news headlines. Firstly, I would like to say some few words about my subject teacher, Mr. Shavez Latif. His demonstration and explanation are amazingly clear and his enthusiasm for English shines in every video. Ever since online classes have started, it seems like he is standing in front of us and explaining to us. So let's start my topic. The very first headline I have collected is political news. Headline is BJP Kong spear over Nemo case. In this news, I found various parts of his speech in the news details, like tenses, present indefinite tense, pronouns, who, himself, him, his, this. Verbs, spur, attacked, shielding, defending, alleged, appeared, transferred. Adjective, retired, exclusive, defended. Articles a and the. Prepositions over, on, for, in, against, before, by, from, to, of, after. Conjunctions as, that, because, if. Then the second one I have collected is world news. Headline is Corona clusters across Asia show fleeting face of victory. In this, the tense is present indefinite tense, pronouns there, which, this, she. Verbs confronts, hailed, curbing, slowing, urging, tracing, warning, returning, caught, lift, aimed, confirmed, ordering, reinforces, diverged, visited. Adjective exclusive, fleeting, extreme, poor, unclear, slow, steady, comprehensive, effective. Prepositions for, within, but, in, to, at, of, from, after, by, before, about, with, across, against. Articles a, the. Conjunctions and, as, further, until. Then the third one is business news. Headline is Industrial output contracts by record 16.7% in March, shrinks 0.7% for full FY20. In this, tense is present indefinite tense. Noun is pandemic, productivity, sectors, growth, classification, infrastructure, economics, disruption, normalcy. Verbs impacts, contracts, shrinks, reflected, anticipated, moderated, linger, cushion, decline, collected. Prepositions across, by, in, of, to, into, for, against, at, from. Adjectives sharp, full, flat, intermediate, durables, unfavorable. Articles a and the. Conjunctions as and. Then the fourth one is sports news. Headline is Virat Sachin changed social media DP to honor state cops. In this, tense is present indefinite tense. Noun Sachin Tendulkar, Virat Kohli, honor, efforts, battle, coronavirus, calamities, disaster, streets, Maharashtra Police, India. Preposition of, to, in, against, by, with, through, on, across. Verbs loaded, replacing, changing, anti-aware, working, tweeted. Articles a, the. Pronouns they, them, this, my, his, who, us. Then the last one is entertainment news. Headline is Kaise Banega Crorepati. In this, tense is interrogative future tense. Pronouns those who were his. Verbs swap, choose, dropped, put off, kick off, compelled, scrap, followed, conducted, charted out, elaborating, reveals, shortlisted, identified, confirming, managed. Adjectives digital, loud, clear, unhindered, virtual, familiar, appearance. Prepositions amid, for, to, in, of, by, across, after, on, via, with, over, at, despite. Conjunctions which and as. After giving information of parts of a speech to children, children should be asked to read English newspaper daily so that they can learn the new words of English and where they can be skilled in parts of a speech, because newspaper provide information and general knowledge to children. Reading newspapers make a good habit and it is already a part of the borderline. This habit will widen their outlook and will enrich their knowledge. And the last, I wrap up my presentation. Thank you.